What I've seen from the performance from Tempo K has been really impressive. I mean, we got a lot of uniform ear sizing and spacing with the plants out there. So later on, as we get into harvest here now, we're able to see that final result. The main benefits that I've seen from the Tempo K this year is just the efficiency that I was able to get out of it when we're planting, just the increase in the acres that we could get done in a day. And also the accuracy on it has been better than planters that I've used in the past. Yeah, the Tempo K, that's one of their claims that they have is just their accuracy on the row unit. And one thing I did notice this year was just my emergence was really even this year out in the fields, and the skips and the doubles were down to a minimum. It was hard to find them. And then just once the crop got up and the plants started setting ears on it, they always wanted that they call photocopy on plants. And we were able to see that this year. I mean, it was just every ear was the same size and just even nice and evenly spaced out. So I was really impressed how the Tempo K did with all of that. Well, I know with my other planter, usually I planted around 6 miles an hour with that, and that's roughly that 40 acres an hour in that area. So, and then with this one, we were running around 9 in that area, so we're up to 60 acres an hour. So, you start factoring in an extra 20 acres an hour, an extra 10-hour day, even just the smaller day, 10 hours. That's a big addition of acres that you can get covered in a day. And with the weather that we have right now, with all these extremes we have, when it's time to go, you got to be able to get out there and get the acres in at the optimal time. We have some rocks around and stuff, so that was one of my biggest concerns. How is it going to, at that speed, how is it going to handle the conditions that we have? And they definitely were tempered down. I mean, granted I had some rougher areas to go through, I slowed up a little bit, but the row unit on the Tempo K just handled everything just great. It went right through, handled everything, and I never had any issues at all this year. So it was, the Tempo did very, very well for me.
The changing over on crops is very easy.
Well, this year I think there's 2 guys went through and switched it out, and it took them about 20 minutes. They had the whole thing switched over from corn to beans. So knowing that I can get that done that fast, I can be set up to get beans planted and know that I can get switched right back over and get back into corn. And even if I got a field of corn that I want to plant that's too wet, but I got a field of beans that I need to plant, I'm not that worried. I can just switch it over, go out, plant the bean field, and come back and do the corn. So being able to do that really will help on the efficiency side. Been very impressed with the results we've had on that Tempo K, and look forward to giving it another try next year again.